Here is our second topic video, our medium video for impacts on data, which is straight out of Unit 10. If you've got your note packet or note sheet out, we'll be in this upper right-hand corner where it says impacts on data. We've got 3 examples. If you run out of room, there's always space on the back side. Just make sure you label it. So in a nutshell, this skill is all about what happens if we add or remove a data point from our set. So right here, we're asked what data point would we add to increase the mean by 2. So first things first, we need to know what the old mean is. We're given these 4 points. So if I add those together, I have a total of 68. And I'm going to divide that by 4 to get my new mean, or my old mean of 17. If I increase that by 2, my new mean is going to be 19. And if I add another point, I'm going to have 5 points. So I'm going to multiply that by 5, which gives me 95. All right, I already have 68, so I'm going to subtract that off. And that's going to give me a total of 27. So the point I would have to add to my data would be 27. That would give me a mean that increases by 2. In our second example, we asked which value would you add to increase the median by 1. So currently I have 5 data points. So if I start ticking off on either end, I'm left with 15 in the middle. So my mean is 15. I need my new mean to be 16, which if I add a number 18 or above, that would increase it by 1.5. So that's too much. So it's got to be somewhere between 15 and 18. So I'm going to rewrite out my data points. I'm going to add a gap for our missing one. Here's 18 and 21. Okay, so 15 and this new number are my 2 middle numbers, which means if I add them together and divide them by 2, I'm going to get my new mean, which I know is 16. So multiplying by 2, I have 15 plus some unknown is equal to 32. And I know 15 plus 17 is 32. So my answer is I would have to add 17 to my data, which would then give me a new median of 16. For our third example, we're asked, will the mean increase, decrease, or stay the same if you add 24 to the data set? So first things first, our median for our original data, if I add those together, is 127 divided by 5, which would give me a mean of 25.4. If I add 24 to my data set, I now have a new data set, which has a new mean. It gives me a new total of 151, and I'm going to divide by 6 because I now have 6 numbers in my set. And that gives me a mean of 25.16, and that 6 is repeating. So my old number and my new number, my old number is bigger, so it's going to decrease if I add 24. Now, for this medium CYU, you're going to go to quiz is. There's a impacts on data quiz is. It says medium. There's a link on Schoology that'll take you right to it. You're going to continue doing it until you get 80% correct.